For flooring takeoffs, using the quick measure on-screen software, we would bring the plan up on the screen, put in the scale of the drawing, and if we want to measure square footage, we will click around the perimeter of the lobby area here for color number 3 for the tile that we're taking off. And when we go around a curve, which is a couple extra mouse clicks, and if you notice, the color will follow along with us so that we end up with a real nice color drawing, colorized drawing of our takeoff, so we know exactly what we took off. We can also give it to the guys in the field. They're included as part of our bid, so we're just clicking around the perimeter of the tile area that we're measuring. And we will come around a few more mouse clicks, come back to where we started. Very, very precise measurement here. And then once we're finished with that, we would hit the Done button at the top of the screen, which will then transfer that quantity directly back to an Excel spreadsheet that we have put together to help us price out our bid using the quick measure on-screen software.